today is Monday, and Monday for the 9-to-5ers out there and the people that work retail is usually the worst day of the week.
Oh, yeah.
This morning, Dorian and I, we are going to make some people's Monday just a little bit better, and we're going to walk into some stores and hand people some breakfast. We've got some muffins, got some cookies, cakes, and stuff like that.
Strawberry cakes.
We're going to see if we can lighten up some people's day. All right, guys, we're at the first spot. Let's go make somebody's morning. A little breakfast this morning for you guys. We know how hard you work. How many people you guys got working today? 3? All right, well, you guys are going to have to, paper, scissors, rock for the last muffin, bro.
I'll smile.
We'll split it into 4.
All right, guys, have a good morning. Cheers. Thank you. First breakfast served. Let's keep going.
Place number 2.
I know it's a Monday, and everybody hates a Monday, so we decided to give some businesses some breakfast. You guys, so yeah, chocolate chip. Everybody likes that, right? Yeah. A couple muffins. All right, bro. We gotta think of some businesses where people really like work their asses off. I'm thinking maybe we go to like a mechanic shop.
I think that would be a good idea. Number 3, guys. Let's get it rocking.
We're trying to make people's day bright. You know, it's like Monday. Mondays are usually days that people are like, it's a drag to go to work. So we're just trying to give out some sweets and brighten up people's Monday.
That's awesome. We got inventory tomorrow, so it's kind of crazy in here today.
Yeah, man. Same with everyone. If you guys are doing inventory tomorrow, we're going to hook you up with some cookies too, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Y'all are awesome. What's the name of your channel?
It's called Step Out.
Thank you.
I appreciate y'all. Cheers.
Another breakfast for somebody deserving on a Monday.
Hey guys, how's it going? Trying to brighten up people's Mondays, and we thought, giving people who, deserve it would like a breakfast treat. There you go, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate y'all. Cheers. We are at the next location. These guys we kind of know. They're our storage unit owners for where Dorian and I store our stuff. But they're amazing people, and they definitely deserve, even though it's like not as spontaneous, hey, these guys have been like hella good to us, so we have to. Nice, man. We were hoping you were here. How are you guys doing? Good, bro. It's Monday. How are you doing?
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah, well, so we wanted to go around to some random businesses and make their Monday a little better with some breakfast. However, we know you guys aren't random, but we love you. Sure. So we had to
Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that.
yeah, banana nut welcome. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
We're here at the Urgent Care. We're ready to give them some oatmeal cookies and some sliced strawberry. We figured because the Urgent Care is a little bit bigger of a business, we'd give them a little double dose.
Hey, how y'all doing today? Doing real good. Trying to spread a little positivity. Trying to give some breakfast treats this morning to local businesses to, just brighten up their Monday, because Monday's usually a day that people don't really like coming into work. So we'd like to give you these treats. Here you go.
We know you guys deserve it more than most.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no
Cheers.
problem.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to see where it all started, click this video right here. And if you like anything you've seen so far, we'd appreciate a subscribe clicking right here.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.